Founded in 1976, Hadi Clinic is the first private hospital in Kuwait. As a pioneer in providing high-quality, international standard healthcare, Hadi Clinic has been planned, designed, built and equipped to meet expectations of the community they serve. They operate to these standards every day in everything they do for the patients, and above that, there is an understanding that to serve the community better, they must take care of their staff first. Hadi welcomes a holistic approach to growth and mindset. It was a privilege to run a SMILETASTIC workshop for their staff. During the workshop, learning was kept interactive and fun. Simple and effective techniques of Neuro Linguistic Programming were delivered to facilitate breakthroughs. There were many aha moments of realization in the room. Self-awareness, inner dialogue, and reflection are the elements that lead a value-based team to success. It is important to know where we stand, how far we have come, and where we would like to go. Thank you, Hadi, for welcoming my smile and giving your staff more meaning to their smiles.